The quality of the air we breathe fluctuates from day to day and can have impacts on our health. Help monitor the air quality in your community with a citizen science kit from the library. The two things you'll need are the kit's AirBeam instrument and your Apple or Android device with the free Aircasting Air Quality app. Track the data you collect by creating a free SciStarter account and an Aircasting Air Quality account. Choose a good spot for your data collection, like a local park, on your way to work, or even in your own backyard. To get started, first open the Aircasting app on your phone, and then turn on the AirBeam for the two devices to pair through Bluetooth. These need to stay fairly close, about 10 to 20 feet from each other, to ensure the connection isn't dropped. Air quality data can be collected while standing in one place, or while moving, if you clip it on while you go for a walk or a bike ride. Your app automatically inputs the data into the Habitat Map, a crowdsourced platform which can be viewed, shared, and exported. Tagging your session or collecting data points while logged into your Aircasting profile will make your entries easier to find later. Make multiple data recordings in different locations or in the same location over a series of days. When you're finished, return the Citizen Science Kit to the library and check out another to keep the research going.